Hi folks, I'm Lawrence Land, the injury lawyer. I help people who are injured everywhere in Virginia. We'll travel from Maine to Spain to help you if we need to. You've got questions, I've got answers. If you've got a problem, I'll solve it. If you have any unanswered questions after this video, this very short video, call me for free legal advice at 1-800-800-1911. You've been hit by a drunk driver. What should you do? Well, the first thing you should do is go to the emergency room. Make note of whoever it was that hit you. Sometimes you can't, but we can get the crash report, not a problem. We also make sure that we get the statements. And we also make sure that we find out what that blood alcohol level is. In Virginia, if the person who hit you was drunk and they had a blood alcohol level of 0.15 or more, in addition to being compensated for your injuries, we can receive an additional large sum of money for something called punitive damages. Punitive comes from the word punishment. We want to stop these folks who are not just drunk, but super drunk. Well, we know what to do. We know how to get top dollar, because this is the only way that we can stop folks from driving drunk, maiming and killing people we care about and love. These cases are complicated for people who've been hurt, but easy for folks like me. If you don't know an experienced injury lawyer, please call me, Lawrence Land, the injury lawyer, at 1-800-800-1911. What are the 5 most important things you should and shouldn't do if you've been injured because of some type of an accident or incident? Well, first of all, go to the emergency room. Don't think for a moment that you're not hurt. Maybe you aren't, but you should not be making that decision independently. Go to an emergency room or a patient first or one of those places. Don't wait. Number 2, do not talk to an insurance company. Most of the people will tell you, oh, the first thing you got to do is call your insurance company. I'm telling you, that is the last thing that you want to do. You should not call your insurance company, and do not call the insurance company of the person who was at fault. Number 3, get off of your social media. Do not text people with what happened. Do not go online and tell people what happened. Stay off of social media. So often people think, well, it won't hurt to say this or text that, and very often whatever comments you make can come back to haunt you. You should call an experienced attorney, an experienced personal injury attorney, to get advice. If you don't know an experienced personal injury attorney, call me. I'm Lawrence Land, as I told you before, helping people throughout Virginia for 36 years. Call me for free legal advice. 1-800-800-1911.